For today's Monday makeup lesson, I'm going to show you how to create this look using just 2 eyeshadows. It's a perfect look for spring and shouldn't take you too much time at all. If you're new to the Makeup Chair channel and you like tutorials like this, then I might suggest hitting the subscribe button below. And if you're already subscribed, then thank you and welcome back. Now let's get started in creating this look. As with every look that I create, I always start off by applying an eyeshadow primer all over the lid. Now this is a lightweight sheer eyeshadow primer, so I've already applied a little bit of concealer on the lids to create a blank canvas, and then the primer is going to help give our eyeshadow something to hold on to. It creates a little bit of grip so that our eyeshadows are going to sit better and blend better for you. Now to create this look, I'm using 2 eyeshadows. One is a shimmering cream eyeshadow, and then one is a matte powdered eyeshadow. And as you can see, they're in the same tone. I find that these work really well together. And we're only going to be using one brush to create this look, so just grab your favorite blending brush. Starting with the matte eyeshadow and our blending brush, we're going to apply this into the crease of the eye. So try keeping your eyes open and blend the eyeshadow over and back into the crease area, blending slightly upwards towards the brows. You can also bring this down onto the lid if you want as well, but try to make sure that the concentration is in the crease and then blend it upwards. It should very gently fade upwards, and this is a great technique for hooded eyes because it will recede that hood and push it back for you. Kind of like contouring the eye shape. Next, we're going to take our cream eyeshadow, and this is a new one by Up Cosmetics. It's almost like a creamy, bouncy texture. It goes on very easily, and I'm just going to be using my fingertips to apply this. We're going to be focusing this mostly across the lid, starting on the inner corner and the center, and then blending across the rest of the lid. Don't bring it up too far, make sure you still have that matte crease line, but making sure that it's completely covered the lid. This is one of the easiest cream to powder eyeshadows that I've ever used. It's almost like a pressed pigment. Very simple, perfect for beginners. Now to add a little bit of depth, I'm just going to apply a very thin amount of liquid liner across the lash line. You can also use a pencil if you prefer. And then to finish off the look, I applied lots of mascara and some falsies. And there you go, a really quick and easy eye makeup look. This is a look that's perfect for spring, perfect for a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of shine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. You can also check out more of the videos on the screen. And as always, my friends, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. You're doing the best you can, and I'll see you in the next one.